All right, second set for lesson 9, the difference using scientific notation in very small numbers. So I've got to find the combined mass of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom, because that's H2O. So I'm going to look at it. A hydrogen atom weighs 1.7 times 10 to the negative 27 grams, and oxygen weighs 2.7 times 10 to the negative 26 grams. I've got 2 of the hydrogen atoms, so I'm going to multiply by 2. So 2 times 1.7 is 3.4. So 2 of them together is 3.4 times 10 to the negative 26. I'm going to add the 2 hydrogen plus the 1 oxygen. So I've got my 3.4 times 10 to the negative 27 plus my 2.7 times 10 to the negative 26. I can't add these together because they're different powers of 10. But I can split this 10 up into 3.4 times 10 to the negative 26. There it is. And then negative 1. So I got negative 26 and then negative 1. So 3.4 times 10 to the negative 26 plus, 0.34 times 10 to the negative 26, because I moved that over a little bit. Sorry. I moved the decimal 1 spot to the left. That means I took 1 away from the 27. So I got 0.34 times 10 to the 26 times plus 2.7 times 10 to the 26. So now they're the same unit basically. So I can add 0.34 plus 2.7, and I get 3.04 times 10 to the negative 26. So 1 molecule of water is 3.04 times 10 to the negative 26 grams. And so on and so forth. So if I want to add up big numbers, I can put them into scientific notation. So the debt for California is $407 trillion. That's 4.07 times 10 to the 11th. New York is $337 trillion. So that's 3.37 times 10 to the 11th. And Texas is $276 trillion. So that's 2.76 times 10 to the 11th. I did that because I counted 3, 6, 9, 10, 11 spots. If I add them all up, they're all in 10 to the 11th, so I can add up the numbers. And 4 plus 3 plus 2 is 10.2. But I've got to put it in scientific notation, so I've got to move this 1 more spot. That means I add 1 more power of 10. So I have 1.02 times 10 to the 12th debt. So that would be, if that was trillions, that would be 1.02 quadrillion. Let's see, hundreds, thousands, millions, that's billions. So this is 1.02 trillion. If I want to add up the small guys, that's 4 times 10 to the 9th, 4 times 10 to the 9th, and 2 times 10 to the 9th. So these are all 10 to the 9th. I added 4 plus 4 plus 2. That's 10 times 10 to the 9th, which becomes 1 times 10 to the 10th, because I moved the decimal from here over there. So we can look at them and add all these things up. Go ahead and take a minute and do it on your own. And we are done with lesson 10.